Hi, I'm back with more chickpeas or garbanzo beans or chechi or whatever you want to call them. Here in Japan, actually, we call them hyokomame. Now, hyoko means is a chick, a little baby chicken, and mame is any type of bean or pea. So I guess chickpeas it is, and this is creamy chickpea and summer vegetable salad. And it's just fantastic because you got all this creaminess in here. You got the crunch of the cucumber. You got the kind of that beaniness, meatiness of the beans. Then you got nice fresh tomatoes in here. You've got some red bell pepper, and then you got this creamy dressing, which we're going to go in the kitchen and make some of that right now. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our creamy chickpea and summer vegetable salad. Well, we've got the chickpeas, which is one 15-ounce can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and they have been rinsed and drained. Here we have two Japanese cucumbers, a smaller cucumber. I like them because there are no seeds to worry about. These little things are, you don't need to seed them. But if you can't get the small Japanese cucumbers, then one big cucumber would be about the same. Here we have two tomatoes, which have been chopped into wedges. Oh yeah, but cucumbers were sliced. One red bell pepper, a large red bell pepper that has been coarsely chopped. A half a cup of mayonnaise and a quarter cup of yogurt. Now, if you want less, you can cut down on the mayonnaise. If you find it's too creamy for you, that's fine. I would just cut back the same amount. Like if you're going to go down a little bit on the mayonnaise, go down some on the yogurt too, otherwise it's going to get too runny. Then what I have here is we have three garlic cloves crushed, a tablespoon of dried dillweed, a half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. So first, let's make the dressing. Basically everything except for the vegetables is dressing. So let's put the mayonnaise goes into a bowl. About a medium-sized bowl, just something you can mix the dressing up in. That's the mayonnaise. Add in that yogurt. Then I'm going to put in the garlic and dillweed, pepper, and salt. Grab a whisk and just whisk this up. I'm going to get that yogurt and mayonnaise combined, and then just everything else will combine in with it. All right, that's looking good. Put that aside for a minute. Now we've got our big old salad bowl here. Basically just dump everything in the salad bowl. So in go the garbanzo beans, the cucumbers, or kiri as we call them here in Japan. And what's interesting is that bell peppers, we call them paprika, whereas, I always thought of paprika as being the paprika powder. And then here are the two tomatoes. And now, for the last time on Kuma's Kitchen, these guys, because in 2 days, someone's going to win these. If you haven't got your name in yet, remember to go become a patron at patreon.com/Kuma's Kitchen for a chance to win these. You only got 2 more days to the deadline. So now I'm going to just quickly mix these around a little bit. Look how those do that job. Some lucky person's going to win that. All right. Then, all I do now is add the creaminess. And one more time. In we go with the big tongs and just toss it around until everything's coated with dressing and you've mixed the different ingredients so everything's distributed. Look at that. Job done. Very good. All right. And there we go. That's it. That's all it is to making creamy chickpea and summer vegetable salad. Enjoy. This is really refreshing. And we're getting towards the end of the summer. We've still got that heat. Let's enjoy this while we can. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for creamy chickpea and summer vegetable salad on our website. Also, if you hurry up right now and you go and become a patron at patreon.com/Kuma's Kitchen, even at the very lowest level, you're gonna have a chance to get those wonderful tongs and a couple other cool prizes. And even if you don't, there's all those fantastic kitchen tech videos with more to come. There's ingredient videos, all kinds of things to help you with your cooking. So go to Patreon, go print out the recipe on the site, and have fun making and eating this delicious salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.